Hey guys, what's going on? So I had this idea that I wanted to figure out how to stream my PS4, but not on the PlayStation, but on my computers, because the overlays that you can't get in the PS4 can only be done on a computer. So I was thinking, how can I get a stream going with the overlays and things like that when we do it on a PC? If you want to try this, basically what we're going to do is we're going to download two pieces of software, and the first one is the OBS software, which is to capture the video and the game, and the second one is going to be Sony's Remote Play software, basically. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to do that. First things first, let's download OBS, and then we'll download Sony's Remote Play. I will leave the links to the download pages in the description so you can download it and then install it. And then after that, we'll get right into it. So by now, you've probably installed all the software. You've now ready to get this all set up. So what we need to do is, firstly, we need to plug our PS4 controller into our computer using a micro USB to USB cable. And once we've done that, we open the PS4 Remote Play app, and then from there we want to follow the instructions on it. Now there's a part where we can register it manually. Now when you click register manually, it's going to ask you for a code. Now that code can only be obtained from the PS4. So you have to go back to your PS4. So you open it up, go to settings, go to remote play. There'll be a function called remote play. So what we want to do is tick that box, and then you want to tick the add device. Once you add that device, you'll be prompted with a new code, and that code will have a timer. Now this is the code that you put into the remote play, and then when you type that in, those two will link up, and you'll get a pop-up where you can see your PS4 on your PC monitor. So now we've done that part of the process. We want to move on to how do we bring it into OBS. Now let's open OBS and put it into the source. So we'll create a new source, and then we'll create a new game capture. Underneath specific window, we're going to put and select remoteplay.exe. And then once that works, now OBS will recognize the Remote Play app. Now you have Remote Play on OBS, and now you can add your overlays, your game cam, and everything else. And you can stream directly to any platform that you use using this method as another way of being able to do consoles. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope this has been helpful, and hope this has been able to give you an option as a method, as an alternative to being able to save some money on getting a capture card until when you can save up and get one. I would only say the only reason why I'd get one is because of the quality that you'd get from that. There can be some downsides where, because you're operating it wirelessly, you may have some lag, or even sometimes your controller might cut out in the middle of gameplay. All right then, I hope you guys have found this helpful. I'm glad that I can share with you a bit of my knowledge in these areas. So if you would like to support my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, if you want to reach out to me, feel free. I have a Discord channel that I'm building a community of tech wizards, so that they can all help each other out with questions and things like that on a technical level. Can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lee Mandano. Ciao for now.